Hi, this is Adrian. I'm going to be opening the Luke Skywalker Star Wars Edition collectible lightsaber. Um, so, I'm going to have 3 batteries for AA. I'm going to be using some screws to open the lightsaber and then a cleaning cloth just in case it's a little dusty inside the box. So we're going to open and I'll get right back to y'all. So there you have it. I did a time lapse by doing the unscrewing and I put all the batteries inside the pack. And so as you can see, it comes with a stand that if you balance it correctly, it can stand like this and hold perfectly. Now, the sound quality of this lightsaber, it's kind of loud. So as you can see, that there's a nice light to it. I like the color of it. And then, as you can hear the sound of the bottom. This will be your switch to turn it on and off, and then turn it back on. I think I bought this very well given. I really enjoyed this purchase, and I will be doing another unboxing for Luke's lightsaber. Technically, this is kind of like Luke Skywalker because it says it on the box, but originally it's actually Anakin's lightsaber. But for the next video, you'll be seeing me do the Luke Skywalker with the Return of the Jedi lightsaber. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe for my next videos. I hope y'all have a good day. Adios, amigos.